Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me JBL Tune Buds, and in this video I am going to show you how to use these earbuds with 15 tips and tricks. So let's start. The first tip is about how to connect these earbuds with your device. So first of all, put these earbuds back into the charging case. So I will put them here in the charging case, and then I will close it for 2 seconds, and then I will open it again. Now turn on the phone's Bluetooth settings. Just bring down this quick panel, and here is the Bluetooth icon. Just press and hold it like this, and then turn on your phone's Bluetooth. Now it will start scanning, and here it will show you JBL Tune Buds. So here you can see it is showing me JBL Tune Buds. I will just select it, and then it will start pairing, and then here it will ask you if you want to pair. So just select this pair option, and then it will make a connection for your JBL Tune Buds with your device. So here you can see everything is done. You can save it. So now it is ready to use. The next tip is about JBL headphones app. So if you want to use all the features and functionalities for these earbuds, you have to download an app. So open the Play Store, and here search for JBL headphones app. So I already searched it. So here is the JBL headphones app. So you have to install it. The app is installed now, so I will open this app, and here you have to make some settings to make a connection with these earbuds. So first of all, you have to accept the terms and condition, and then you have to allow nearby device permission, and then allow again, and then it will take a few seconds to make a connection with your earbuds. So here you can see, you see this option of get started. Just select it. Now what you have to do, you have to set up your headphones later, and here everything is done. Now your earbuds are connected with your app. So here you can use all the features and functionalities. The first setting is about ambient sound control. So I will open JBL headphones app, and here I select JBL Tune Buds. So here you can see the first option is ambient sound control. If it is disabled, you can enable it from here. The next thing is, here it is giving you 3 different options. The first option is about active noise cancellation. The second option is ambient aware. So you can use this option if you want to hear what's going on around you. The third option is talk through. You can use this option to have a clear conversation, or if you want to have a quick chat with headphones on. The next setting is about equalizer. So you can select this arrow, and here you can turn on the equalizer. So here you can see it is giving you 6 different presets option. So you can select jazz, vocal, bass, club, studio, or extreme bass. You can also customize your own equalizer. Just select this plus icon, and here you can see you can set your own EQ manually. So here you can see I can easily set my own EQ. So here you can see I can do it manually. Once you finish, you can just select this save option, and here you can see your new EQ is now available. The next setting is about controls. So here you can see it is giving you the option of gestures, and here is the left earbud, and on this side we have right earbud. For example, I select this left earbud. So here it will show you all the controls for the left earbud. For example, if I single tap my left earbud, it will switch between noise cancelling and ambient aware. You can also set off option as well. The next thing is about double tap. So if you double tap at the back side of your left earbud, it will turn on the talk through. And then if you tap and hold, it will activate the native voice assistant. The next setting is about call control. If you double tap on the back side of left earbud, you can answer or you can hang up ongoing call. The next thing is, if you tap and hold on the back side of left earbud, you can reject the incoming call. You can also customize all of these controls. For example, instead of the single tap for noise cancelling and ambient aware, you can change it. Just select this arrow from here. So here it is giving you 4 different options. You can select volume control, playback and voice assistant control, or you can set it to none. For example, I selected to volume control. Now here you can see it is giving me the option. If I single tap, it will increase the volume. If I double tap on the back side, it will decrease the volume. So this is how you can customize it. The next thing is about right earbud. If I select right earbud from here, so here you can see if I single tap on the right earbud, it will play and pause the music. If I double tap, it will play the next track. If I triple tap, it will move to the previous track. And then here, if you want to customize the tap and hold option, just select this setup voice assistant. So here it is giving you 3 different options. You can select Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, or native voice assistant. If you go back from here and you want to change these controls, you can also customize it. Just select this arrow again, and here again you have 4 different options. The next setting is about voice aware. So you can enable this option if you want to control how much of your own voice you want to hear during calls. So you can set to medium, you can set it to low, or you can set it to high. The next setting is about smart audio and video. So you can enable this setting, and here it is giving you 2 different options. If you want to use the audio mode, it will give you the best audio quality. If you want to use the video mode, it will improve the lip syncing performance. The next setting is about left and right sound balance. So you can enable these settings, and here in this option you can adjust the audio volume balance between left and right channels. So here you can see you can set it to left, or you can also set it to the right as well, and you can adjust it manually by yourself. The next setting is about voice assistant. You can select this arrow, and here it is giving you 3 different options. You can select Google Assistant, you can select Amazon Alexa, or you can select native voice assistant. So currently I'm using a Samsung device, so here it will activate the Bixby. The next setting is about voice prompt. So you can change the language for voice prompt as well. Select this arrow, and here you can see the language option is available. So currently it is set to English. If I just select it like this, here it is giving me different languages option. For example, I can select Netherlands, I can select French or Dutch, Italiano. So all different languages are available for voice prompt. The next setting is about max volume limiter. So you can enable this option, and it will set the volume below 85 decibels to protect your hearings, and it will also extend the battery life. The next setting is about find my buds. So you can use this option to find lost earbuds, and it will play a high pitched beeping. For example, if I want to play for this left earbud, I will play it from here, and then after 3 seconds you have to select this continue option, and it will play a beep sound like this. So it will be really helpful for you if you want to find out your earbud. The next setting is about power saving. So here inside the power saving, you have 2 different options. The first option is auto standby. So if you enable this option, your headphones enter standby mode if idle for 15 minutes to save power. So in standby mode, ANC will automatically be turned off. The next option is auto power off. So if you enable this option, here it will give you 3 different times option. So headphones will automatically power off with idle mode lasting for 30 minutes, or you can set it to 1 hour, or you can set it to 2 hours. The next option is about reset to factory settings. So you have to select this support option, and then here you can see the number 4 option here is about reset to factory settings. Select it from here, and then it will ask you if you want to reset or cancel. Just select this reset option, and then it will reset your headphones. For example, I select this reset option. So here you can see it will take you out of the app, and then it will reset your headphones to factory settings. The next setting is about power off. So if you want to power off your earbuds, just open the JBL headphones app, select JBL Tune Buds, and here you can see you have this power off button. Just select it, and here it will ask you if you want to power off your headphones. Just select this power off option, and it will power off your earbuds. So guys, this is for today's video. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.